Here's a test 2 diode destruction of the new orange laser diode, or it's actually more red than orange. It's running about 645 nanometers, I would say. Our test subject is going to be this very unlucky roll of electrical tape. Right now I'm only pushing 50 milliamps through the diode, so it's not lacing yet. And I will let you know what the lacing current is as I adjust up. Okay. So once it comes on, alright, 0.6 or 60 milliamps. Alrighty. I'm going to call 70 milliamps lacing. As you can see, it's starting to go. So this is the absolute minimum power of the laser diode, and I've seen other videos of this diode actually being taken all the way up to 1 amp. However, I do not think that will be possible because I'm using a standard Aixiz module obviously it's a 3.8 millimeter housing, but I don't think the heat dissipation will be fast enough. So I'm going to bring it right up to about 400 milliamps and just give you an idea of the burning. So we're at 100 right now, 120, 130, 140, 160. Oops. Okay. 200, 250, 300, 390, 400. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do a quick burning test. As you can see, it fumes quite ridiculously at 400 milliamps. At 700 milliamps, it should be outputting about 500 milliwatts of power. But as you can see right now, this is actually a fairly good amount. The focal spot's kind of hard to find. If I can see the beam better, there we go. Alright, so let's bring up the current up to about 600 milliamps, and hopefully we won't be blowing the diode. So yeah, you can see very profuse burning. So okay. We'll go to the median of 500 milliamps and see where we're going from there. 0.41, 44, and 500 milliamps. So just another quick burning test, just to show. This is a very strong diode, definitely. And I will okay. Last little strand, there it goes. Alright, let's go for 600. Hopefully I won't destroy the diode. I have it mounted in a small heatsink, which is seated atop a larger heatsink. So we are now at 600. Okay. And I've tried this diode before at other power levels before, and it seems like every time I test it, it dies at 700, so we'll have to see whether this happens or not. I've got an old AA battery casing. I can show some of the burning on that. I'd be willing to bet if I sat it still, it'd actually burn through. The problem, my hands are pretty shaky, so. Alright, let's go for 700. And hopefully we will not destroy this diode. 0.6466. Oh, just died. Okay. Alright, so I'm recommending an absolute maximum current of 550 milliamps because the diode was destroyed at 650 milliamps. So I highly recommend not running higher than 550 milliamps. Alright, thank you so much for watching.